Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Filipina Journey in USA Vlog. Please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Enjoy watching!
So-and-so makes me uncomfortable. I'm not really sure how to explain
Hi
it. I feel
guys!
weird around this person. Do you think
Today is
that's
Turn left,
Saturday.
IL 5 onto 46th
6.
Avenue.
We are heading to Knoxville, Illinois. It's nice and it's sunny, warmer. Started at 38 degrees, but it's gonna be warmer this week. Most of the ice are melting already. So looking forward for the spring coming soon. Good morning, Hubby. So, we'll see you in Knoxville. Ta-da! We're taking the main road. There's the sun out there. If you can see the side roads now, there's few ice left, which is really a good sign. Finally done with
After
hibernation.
0.3 miles, turn right towards Milan.
My coffee cup is my company. We start our morning for going to work with a cup of coffee, and since we're traveling, so I brought one cup and now it's down to half cup now, under half. This is a pure, you call it that? Pure brewed coffee. Anyway, this is a coffee without sugar. It's pure after brewing.
We just call it black.
Black coffee. Yes. I wasn't
I thought you meant the brand.
brand, no. It's Aldi's brand somewhere. So this is I should say better. It has no sugar. I wasn't accustomed to the taste before because for me it's so bitter in taste, but it's a matter of time of getting used to with it, and it tastes really good. So I would rather have black pure coffee than with sugar for my preference, for health wise also. So coffee it is.
This is your KWQC First Alert Forecast from the CMI Plumbing Experts Weather Center.
Your Saturday morning forecast calling for morning clouds, followed by mostly sunny and mild conditions, highs ranging from the 40s north to the 50s south. Tonight, we'll see mostly clear skies, cool overnight lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. This is Teresa Bryant, KWQC First Alert Weather.
Time check is 8:36 a.m. The appointment, it's 8:12 a.m. Time of arrival will be 8:36. The appointment time is 9 o'clock, so we are ahead of time. That's good. We didn't bring Prince along with us. Maybe in some other time. Alright, we'll see you at Knoxville then. So we are now in Knoxville, Illinois, and we are 2 minutes away for our destination. This is the neighborhood. Their neighborhood looks like it's basically the same in every other place in the Midwest. There's a water tank. It said Knoxville. It's a good sign, isn't it? There it is, Knoxville.
After 0.3
It's like the pakwan
miles,
seed
you have
in the
reached your
Philippines,
destination. It is on your
it's-
right.
it has no shell. It's easy to eat.
It's the Elvis Duran Weekend.
Yep, that's 7:10.
7:10.
It should be.
It's kind of fun.
There's one here. Yeah, it should be this blue house. Alright, we arriving in our destination.
That's good.
Oh, someone
You
is
have
waiting
reached your
for you, hon.
destination. It is on your right.
Yeah. Are they homeless?
We sat down with Dr. Anthony Fauci, director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, and asked him about the effectiveness and safety of the COVID-19 vaccines that are being distributed across.
Guys, we're going to install our mini fridge in the office. It's still cold. Whew, it's very cold. Oh, it's still cold. Oh, the box? Sure. So hey guys, we just back in the office and here is the update of the couch we installed last week. Ta-da! I got blue pillows for my hubby. And today we are going to unbox this mini fridge for my hubby. So here it's a 1.7 cubic feet mini fridge, and we got this from Home Depot, and it's called Magic Chef. So we'll see. Ow. You're done with your thing now?
Easy, huh?
Easy. Ta-da-da! Surprise! Another garbage. Ooh. Bam! Got it. I got it. Ding, ding, ding. Oops, is this the top? Nope. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is the top. It's very short, hon. You should have something to put on the top. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ta-da-da. Just perfect for my size, huh? Magic Chef. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Exciting, huh? Do you need this energy guide?
No.
So here's a mini fridge. It's like the fridge in a hotel for my hubby's beverages. Ta-da! It's cute. And here's a couch. It's really masculine color blue. Where are you gonna put that, hon? Over there? Oh, you should leave it open, hon. It's so the smelly. There. Ooh, exciting. All right.